Do you think one of your phone speakers isn't working properly? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra includes a built-in diagnostic tool that checks both the in-call speaker and the media speaker. Let me show you how. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Device Care. Scroll down the screen. Under the Additional Care section, tap Diagnostic. Next, tap Phone Diagnostic. Here, find and tap the speaker icon. If this is your first time running the test, your phone will start checking automatically. If you have tested it before, you will see the previous result instead. Simply tap Test again to run a new test. The first test, check the in-call speaker, tap Play. Since the in-call speaker plays at a low volume, you might need to hold the phone close to your ear to hear the test sound. When the sound finishes, tap Yes if you heard it clearly. Next, your phone will test the media speaker. Tap Play again. For the best result, hold your phone normally with the screen facing you while the test sound plays. When the test finishes, tap Yes if you heard the sound clearly. If both speakers are working properly, the result will show normal. However, if a problem is detected, tap Request a Repair button and follow the on-screen instruction. And that's how to test your phone speaker on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.